Alright, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear seats on a 95 to 97 X300 Jag. Sorry about all the noise, everyone's mowing today, it's a beautiful day. So first you're going to need to remove the fuse box covers on both sides. They look like this. They've got a little, one simple clip in the center of them. You just pop out, no problem. And then there are two screws, one here and one here, which will be holding on the bottom of the seat, this bracket here, and then you just pull the seat right up, and the seat belts will just go right through. That's the easy part. Removing the seat back, which I believe you need to do in order to get to the parcel shelf, in order to get under the parcel shelf if you're doing speakers or something like that. So anyways, to do this, there are a set of screws with more of these black brackets. I believe there's like one here, one there, another one over there, and maybe even another one in the middle. They're just a bunch of Phillips head screws. Once you get those out, you're gonna pull the seat forward and then up. So don't try to pull it out at the top, it might break something. And the seat belts have these little covers on them, and you will need to pull the seat belt forward like that, and then go in here with a screwdriver and release these tabs. I can't remember which way you press them. But anyways, be careful with these things, they're fragile. This one actually doesn't look original, and it's got this white piece of plastic in front of it, and I believe that is incorrect. This should go on this side. Okay, so if you're going to take the rear seat all the way out, you will need to take out the seatbelt bolts, which are here. They are a large Torx bolt, and then you will be able to feed the seatbelt up and out through the top. Then you can get access to the seatbelt mechanisms there, as well as the parcel shelf, which looks like it just has a couple clips you can take out and pop it out. I'm not 100% positive on that, but anyways, hope this was helpful.